Hey guys, I'm Lauren Kozar, account manager with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, and today I'm calling all of my construction and flatbed delivery customers to show you our 2026 Hino XL8 with a 24-foot Marlin flatbed. Now this truck is going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 54,000 pounds. You have a front axle of 14,000 pounds and two rear axles of 20,000 pounds. This CDL truck is going to have a base warranty of 2 years unlimited miles, and you have a Cummins L9 engine that is going to produce 360 horsepower and 1150 foot-pounds of torque. This is going to have the standard engine warranty of 2 years or 250,000 miles, and you do have the option to upgrade to 6 years should you wish. Your transmission is going to be the Allison 3000 RDS series that has standard 5-year unlimited mile warranty, and you do have the option to upgrade to 7 as well. Let's take a look inside of the truck. All right, as you come inside, you'll see Hino's beautifully upgraded brown and black interior. You have the 3 across vinyl seating with the individual captain's air suspension seat. In front of you, you have your tilt and telescopic steering wheel, as well as your multi-informational display. And to the right, you have your AM/FM stereo radio. Up top, you have plenty of room for storage, and this truck also has power and heated mirrors. The brakes on this truck will be air brakes on the right next to your driver, and you do have the Hendrickson Comfort Air suspension. Let's take a look at the back of the truck. All right, as I mentioned before, this is going to be a 24-foot Marlin flatbed. This flatbed is going to have a passenger underbody toolbox that is lockable, and you do have the option to add stakes for extra protection should you wish. You have 5 tie-down straps on each side as well. Coming to the back, you'll notice that it is going to be 102 wide, and we do have an ICC bumper on this flatbed. You have the option to add any style liftgate, which we can do right here at our Fort Worth location in our body shop. Another option that you do have to add on the back of this will be a rear mount forklift package too. Coming to the driver's side, again, you will notice the 5 tie-down straps, as well as 2 underbody lockable toolboxes with the included tie-down straps. Up front, you have the removable stepladder for ease of access and entry onto the flatbed. I want to thank you so much for coming out to check out our 2026 Hino XL8 with the 24-foot Marlin flatbed. If you have any questions, please call the number below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily inventory. Thanks so much and have a great one.